So now, first topic for the day, I wanted to take it from mathematics, but I thought let's make the Sunday morning a bit lighter. So we'll take it from mental ability. Are we fine? Mental ability and logical reasoning, it is called. Fine.
Yes,
The
sir.
first topic we are taking is called direction sense. Is called direction sense. Okay. So direction sense. You at this age have a pretty much understanding of what the topic should be about. Yes or no? We have a north, east, west, and south. Is it okay, Priya Brother? You know this, right?
Yes, sir.
No, it's not okay. This is west and this is east. Everyone gets confused in general for north, east, west, south. I generally say write news. Okay? Sure. North, east, west, and south. Okay? Sure. Fine. Do not get confused. Now, please understand. The topic of direction sense will involve three concepts. Concept of directions, along with this is called northeast, this is called northwest, this is called southwest, and this is called southeast. I hope we are clear with this, everyone. Right? Then the second concept is concept of angles. Concept of angles. 30-degree east of south means from south move toward east for 30 degrees. Yes or no? Clear? In the same way, what else can be written? 60-degree north of west. So what will you do? From the west, you will go 60-degree toward the north. Understood or not? Clear? Second concept. One concept, the basic names of the direction. Second concept, change with the angle. Are we clear?
Clear, sir.
Tony?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Good. Then the third concept is concepts of Pythagoras theorem. As a kid, all of you have seen Pythagoras theorem. To my dear girl cadet, good morning. What is Pythagoras theorem? You're pursuing engineering?
No, sir, I'm MSc Max.
Good. MSc Maths, then you are trapped. What is Pythagoras theorem?
It's base square plus altitude square equals hypotenuse square.
Very good. So in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the longest side. Uncle Pythagoras stated that the square of the longest side, which is the hypotenuse, is sum of the square of the other two sides. Okay, so p square plus b square equal to h square. Yes or no? Everyone knows it? Sure. Fine. Yes or no?
Right, sir. Yes,
Good.
sir.
In that case, just tell me one thing. In a right angle triangle, if this is 12, this is 13, then what is this? This is question number A. Please tell me what is the value of A.
5, sir.
Good, 5. Anyone confused? So A square plus 12 square equal to 13 square. A square equal to 13 square minus 12 square. 13 minus 12, 1. 13 plus 12, 25 is A square. So A equal to 5. Yes or no? Right?
Correct, sir.
So everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How much? What is the value of B? आराम से, take your time.
$16, sir.
16 is correct. B square equal to 20 square minus 12 square. Visible?
Yes, sir.
So y is in the east of x. So y is in the east of x. So x के east में is y. Yes or no? Clear? Which is in the north of z? X is in the north of z. If P is in the south of z, P is in the south of z, then in which direction y is with respect to q? So you have to draw the plus there and tell if this is north, this is east, this is west, and this is south. Y is in which direction with respect to P? North east, which is none of these. Yes or no? Anyone doubt?
No,
Good,
sir.
good, very good. Next question. You solve it. आराम से, take your time. Take your time, relax, guys. We will gain the speed later, don't worry. First, gain the knowledge and accuracy, then work on the speed. Rahul put his timepiece on the table. Okay, so on the table, timepiece is there. In such a way that at 6 p.m., 6 p.m. pe chota is here and bada is here. Right? This is 6 p.m. Our hand points to the north. Okay, so this is the north. So this will be the south. This will be the east and this will be the west. Cool. In which direction the minute hand will point at 9:15? At 9:15, the minute hand will be at 3. This is the direction of the west. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Good.
Yes, sir.
Next question. Sargam walks towards south. Okay. For 2.5 kilometers. Fine. From there, she goes left hand. So when you are going down, your left hand will be here, your right hand will be here. So she takes a left turn for 1 kilometer. Again takes a left turn for 1.5. Okay, 1.5. Okay. She is in which direction? She is facing north. But when the question says she is in which direction, they by default mean with respect to starting point. So with respect to starting point, she is in southeast. Understood? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
If they
Yes,
want
sir.
to ask she is facing which direction, they will write. The answer for she is facing which direction? She is facing north. Clear? The question can be reverse also. What is the position of starting point with respect to this location? So you will say with respect to this location, starting point is northwest. Clear? Sure. Next. A river flows west to east. From west, the river is going to east. Okay. On the way, turns left, and goes in a semicircle, and then turns left. Okay, turns left. Fine. In which direction is the river finally flowing? Toward east. Understood or not, guys? Am I done with 5 questions or 4 questions? Am I done with 5 questions or 4 questions? No. A man walks 5 kilometers towards south. Okay. Then turns to the right. After walking 3 kilometers, he turns to the left and walks for 5 kilometers. Now, in which direction is he from the starting place? With respect to the starting place, he is in the southwest direction. Clear? Now, next question you have to solve. I am not solving. You solve. Solve. Then I'll help you out. Solve. Try to solve. Take your time. And then tell me the answer. Once done, unmute and tell the answer. Not done. Chalo, let me.
Is it south, sir?
Maybe beta. I don't know the answer. I have to solve. South
South,
is the answer. Okay. Anyone else? Chalo. One evening before sunset. Okay. At the time of sunset, sun is here. Yes or no? Toward the west. Right? Rekha and Hema were talking face to face. Okay. If Hema's shadow was exactly to the right of Hema, so shadows will form this way. So Hema is facing this way, which is the north. Hence, her shadow is formed here. Understood? Right hand side. Which direction was Rekha facing? Very good. As Rekha is talking face to Hema, she will have to face this way, which is south. Correct. Understood, everyone? Questions are easy. You have to just translate the information to your understanding. K is 40 meters southwest of L. So L is there. 40 meters southwest is K. If M is 40 meters southeast, Then in M is in which direction from K? From K, M is in east direction. Understood? Clear? Next.
Yes, sir. Sir.
X started to walk straight towards south. Okay. After walking 5 meter, he turned to the left and walked 3. After this, he turned to the right and walked 5. Now, which direction X is facing south? Clear? Solve. After walking 6 kilometer, I turned to the right. I don't know where have I started, so I'll say after walking 6, I turned to the right. Okay. Then walked 2 kilometers. Okay. After then I turned to the left and walked 10 kilometers. Oh, bhai sahab. In the end, if I was moving toward north, from which direction did I start my journey? I started my journey by moving toward the north only. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Good question. Four friends A, B, C, and D live in the same locality. The house of B is in the east of A. A east is B. But in the north of C. C is in the north of, like B is in the north of C. The house of C is in the west of D. D's house is in which direction from A? If we draw plus on A, it is the south east direction. Okay? Next. Praveen walked 30 meter toward east. Okay, 30 meter toward east. Starting point is this. Took a right turn and 20 meters. Again took a right turn and walked 30 meters, same line. How far he from the starting point? 20 only. Next, solve this, solve this, solve this. I'm sitting looking at you. Solve. In Tamil, it is solpand. In Malayalam, it should be solve chayu. Am I right? Am I right with my understanding ki if I have to command someone to solve a question, I should say solve chayu. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Good, yeah,
Yes.
Shash. Shobha was facing east already. She walked 20 meters. Okay. Turning left, she moved 15 meters. And then turning right, moved 25.
Sir, 45
Finally,
meters,
she
sir. Last option.
turned right and moved 15. So, balance line. How far is she from the starting point? 20 plus 25, 45. What Priyabrata said. Last option, option number D, 4 or whatever you call it. 45 meters is the right answer. Next question. Not much is written here, but then. I start, A and B start walking call from a point in the opposite direction. Okay, they are going in the opposite direction.
So 5 kilometers.
A covers 3 kilometer and B covers 4. Okay, A covers 3 kilometer, B covers 4. Then A turns right. This is A, this is B. A turns right, walks for 4, while B turns left and walks 3 kilometers. Okay. How far is each from the starting point Pythagoras theorem? 3, 4, this is 5. 3, 4, this is 5. But are they at the equal level of light? No, right? So this was the understanding for direction sense. Are you okay? So understand that in the topic number system, surely in CDS so there are odd 7 or 8 questions which will come from number system. In AFCAT you don't have those many questions, right or not? Clear? In AFCAT you don't have, you only have 100 questions which check your 4 subjects. So not many, but a good number of 3 questions will come from number system. Okay? Sure? Depending on HCF and LCM must. Clear? Sure. Second is factors and exponents. Clear? As this topic is equally important for both, I'll cover in such a way that both exams get covered. Are we okay with it? Sure?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Only the hard part here is for girls CDS do not have mathematics. So beta, in this class, are you okay to grasp some extra knowledge? Sure. So, number one, I am expecting that all of you know what is the meaning of power. When I say 2 to 5, Tony, what is its meaning?
It's 5 times 2.
Very good. Anna? What will be its value? 32. Right or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Great. Now, beta, based on this, you know that if there is a number to the power 1 multiplied with the same number with power 2, then it implies that the number can be written as power 1 plus power 2. Say yes. Whereas if there would be a division, then it will be subtraction. Do we know this? Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Second line. Any number to the power 1 to the power another can be written as a number to the power product of. Yes or no? Sure. 2 to the power 3 to the power 4 can be written as 2 to the power 12. Understood? Sure. Everyone? Good. Now,
Yes, sir.
surely this won't come. What comes is, listen, concept of unit digit. Digit at the unit place. Okay? What comes? Listen, concept of unit digit or digit at the unit place. See. Right now, bache, if I ask you what is 12 to the power 21, is it practically possible for you to do this in less than 30 seconds? Tell me. Unless you remember it, may be a case. Yes or no? Otherwise, it will take some time. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
So the question comes like, they are not bothered about everything. They say that in the expansion of this, what will be the digit at unit place? So what is the meaning of unit place, Priyabrata? In 123, who is at the unit place?
3, sir.
3 is at the unit place. Okay, so if we are counting from right to left, the first digit, or we can say the last digit of any number is called digit at the unit place, right or not? Sure. So the thing here is, understand, when I multiply 12 with 12, what comes here? 4. Yes or no? Right? Answer is 144, right? Now, Sri Lakshmi, tell me what is 342 multiplied with 912. What will come here?
4.
Yes. So why they ask it is because irrespective of what is written beyond, the unit digit ka occurrence will only depend on the unit digits present in the number. Are we clear with this line? Yes or no? Sure. The occurrence of unit digit in the result is only dependent on the participant numbers ka unit digit, nothing else. Whatever be the big size multiplication we are doing, if the last two digits are like last digit of both the numbers are 2 and 2, the answer will come as 4 for the last digit of the answer. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hence, we humans, we aspirants have made some methods. Okay, they are not tricks. I do not like the word trick. They are called mathematical results which we kind of have cracked down. One such result is, understand, how many digits are there, Priyabrata? How many digits are there in this world?
Sir, 9, sir.
9 नहीं, 10, 0 भी है. 0,
Oh, yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now why I have written them in, understand. These digits will cause no change in the unit place. Like what is 6 square? 36. What is 6 cube? 216. Yes or no? What is 11 square? 121. What is 81 square? Something which ends at 1. Understood? 10 square? 100. 100 square? 10,000. All ends at 0. Understood? They will have no change. These I am going to train you. They come in the criteria of divide by 4 and answer with remainder. And the last comes with odd and even. How? Understand. Have you made this note? If you see 2 to the power 1, answer is 2. If you see 2 to the power 2, answer is 4. If you see 2 to the power 3, answer is 8. And if you see 2 to the power 4, answer is 16. I am only writing the unit digit. Now if you see 2 to the power 5, it's 32. 2 to the power 6, 64. 2 to the power 7, 128. 2 to the power 8, 256. So the digits are repeating themselves. Clear? In the same way, if you see for 3, 3 to the power 1, 3. 3 to the power 2, 9. 3 to the power 3, 27. 3 to the power 4, 81. Clear? But if you see power of 4, 4 to the power 1 which is an odd number is 4. 4 to the power 2 which is an even number is 6. In the same way, 9 to the power 1 which is an odd number is 9. 9 to the power even which is 2 is 1. 5, 6 have no change. 7 to the power 1, 7. 7 to the power 2, 49. 7 to the power 3, sorry, 7 to the power 3, 343. 7 to the power 4, sorry, is 1. 8 to the power 1 is 8. 8 to the power 2 is 64. 8 to the power 3 is 512. 8 to the power 4 is something which ends at 6. Have you noted this? Now I am going to ask some questions. In the expansion of 231 to the power 132, what will be the digit at unit place? So you will say, sir, as the number is ending at 1 and 1 comes under no change, so whatever be the forward thing, the digit at the unit place will be 1 itself. Understood? In the expansion of 123 to the power 231, practically not possible for you to calculate. What is the digit at unit place? So you will say, sir, 3 comes into the criteria of divide by 4. So what we will do is, sir, we will divide 231 by the power by 4. As we divide, we see the remainder is 3. So, sir, 3 to the power 3, 7 will be the digit at unit place. Understood?
Sir, can you repeat the last step, please?
Yes. What I did is, whatever was the power, I divided it by 4 and calculated the remainder. The remainder came out to be 3. So 3 to the power 3, 27, 7 is the answer. If the remainder would have come as 2, then 3 to the power 2, 9 would have been the digit at unit place. Understood?
Yes,
Sure.
understood, sir.
हाँ भाई Avishankar, what will be the answer for this? You have to find the digit at unit place. Find the.
No change, sir. 5.
Very good. Yeah, because 5, sir, answer will be 5. There will be many numbers forward, we don't know. Priyabrata, digit at unit place will be.
Sir, last digit is 2, so there will be no change. So
Hey! 2 follows divide by 4. So 123 will be divided by 4. Remainder is 3. 2 to the power 3, 8 is the answer. Check your notes. Sri Lakshmi, what is the answer?
No change, sir. It's 5.
9 goes with a change. This is 9. Too bad handwriting I have. This is 9. Now please recalculate. So 9 goes with odd and even. The power is even, answer will be 1. Tony, what is the answer?
it's 4.
4, correct. Divided by 4, remainder is 2. 8 to the power 2, 64. 4 is the answer. Right or not? Sure. Shabash. Understood, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is called
Yes,
concept
sir,
of
understood,
digit
sir.
at unit place. Concept of digit at unit place. Now, this is enough for AFCAT. For serious, what they do at times is they ask a bunch of questions. Like they will say, what is 123 to the power 51 plus 124 to the power 52 plus, right, will have as a digit at unit place. So you will say, sir, 3 divided by 4, remainder is 3, 3 to the power 3, 27 plus 4. Even powers of 4 will have 6. So 7, 6, 13. 3 will be the digit at unit place. Understood? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Good. So these are the two concepts we as of now done. One was the concept of direction sense. Second was the concept of number system part 1. Okay, there are 3 parts in number system. I have just done part 1. Okay, sure.